Hey everyone, Katie here from Trade Ideas, and I'm here to give you this week's new blog recap, part 2. And if you haven't seen part 1 of this video yet, talking about our first blog this week, we dissected the term how to let your winners run and how to actually have those profits without fear of selling too quickly. It's a good one, check it out. But back to this blog about how we can use tools like RSI to create new opportunities out of thin air in the stock market. Now, traders tend to follow the herd, and that's why herd mentality is so big in the stock trading community. Because when we see one person look over a stock or kind of ignore its value, we tend to do the same. We follow suit thinking, oh, if they didn't see anything special, it's probably not special. I'm not going to waste my time researching further. However, we need to be relying on tools like RSI and other technical indicators to actually show us that they are not worth looking over. Not just assuming that other traders know best or just because no one's talking about it does not mean there's not opportunity lying in certain stocks. RSI can help you create like a stock wish list. Whether you use apps like Robinhood or Brokerage Plus program at Trade Ideas, you can see the RSI line indicating how it's performed in the past compared to how it's performed now, any patterns that exist over time, how long this dip is going to last, if the dip is going to be brought even lower. These RSI numbers are easy calculations that are done for you on these apps and programs, and it really should be used to your advantage. RSI allows us to see that stocks are not always as they seem. We cannot judge a stock by its first glance, just as we cannot judge a first book by its cover. And you gain more confidence and self-efficacy as a trader over time because using RSI, you feel more in control, more independent as a trader, and not just following the herd, whatever everyone else is doing, buying too late, missing the dip. All these things happen from being the last one to know, and that is where traders fail. So if you want to be the first person to know, be ahead of the game, ahead of the trade, and sell before it actually goes too low or buy before it gets too high, you must be doing the research yourself. Use RSI, use other technical indicators to get you there, because these tools can show us that things are not always as they seem. In fact, things are rarely as they seem in the stock market. So do your own research, gain that confidence, and do your trades yourself. While today was a pretty lengthy recap for this blog, there is a lot more in the article that you should read. Click the link below to go to tradeIdeas.com/blogs. Read for yourself today.